Hey there, welcome to Kick Us Out, and today we're gonna show you how to make a good control. Let's do this. Your first touch should cushion the impact of the ball, bring it under your control and protect it from other players. When receiving a ball, your first touch should bring the ball into a space beneficial for you to dribble or pass the ball. Anticipate where the ball is going to land and get into position beforehand. As you receive the ball, your body weight should be balanced so you can change directions easily. When the pass is being played to you, you should look at the ball at all times. You can also put an arm out to feel it where your opponents around you are and hold him off if needed. After positioning yourself, you will need to decide which body part you are going to make contact with the ball. The three body parts that you should use are head, feet or thigh.